is sitting on my pad of paper. This balloon is stealing my thunder. It's everywhere. I hate you, balloon. We're going to have it out. Yes, I will get out the pin. You know, it's very tricky doing a show on New Year's Eve because everyone's just a bit discombobulated and a bit confuzzled.
That's
and a bit
easy for you to say.
Fajibiters and fajopalopped. I'm just talking about body parts now. Everyone's just turned into fajibiters and fajopalops. And fajubly-looglies.
And a taco.
And what?
Isn't that Mexican food?
Mexican food?
Yeah. Oh, it's fajitas.
Oh, yeah, everyone's so fajited right now. Everyone's so fajited and enchiladed. And what else is there? Guacamole. Holy guacamole. Well, so do we, Jojo. How about that, kicking back? That's the life. That is a hot pig. Whew. Be good with, no. No, we won't eat Jojo. We've got 4:06 left on the clock. Every time there's I go charge. You may have noticed that. Don't know why I do it, just do. It's one of those reactions, like someone hits you in the face with party phone, you turn to them and you punch them in the face. Hello, who's there? Hello? Hello? Is it me you're looking for? Hello? You just called to say you love me. Hello? Are you there? Are you there? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Party string.
Hey, look, Nikki, I've got quadruple money. Oh no, what have you got there?
Oh, is it a bit of revenge time? There we go. No, that's enough. It's all fun and games till someone loses an eye. Oh, that stuff smells. Oh, I thought Simon was here for a minute.